Hello everyone. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to learn like how to create okay, how to create two project, two projects, and copy one project app into another project. Okay, so simply what we are going to learn, like there is a two projects. Okay, please try to understand from here. Okay, suppose we have two projects. This is the project. You can say this is the project one, and this one is a project two. Okay. Okay, let me write the name here also. Project 1. This is our project 1 and this is our project 2. This is our project 2. Okay. Inside the project 1, we have this application. Okay. For example, the application name is app 1. What is the application name? App 1. So what we are going to do, we will copy this application into this project. For example, we have Django project. For example, we downloaded a project from GitHub, a Django project from the GitHub. Now I want to copy that project feature into my project, whatever project I created in my local machine. I want to add that application feature in my project. So what we will do, we will learn how we can copy one project application into another project. So we will copy this application, okay, and we will move this application to here in project 2. Okay, let me also mention. Okay, let me write some text here also. Okay, from project 1, app 1. Okay, not like this. Copy app 1 from project 1 and paste into project 2. Right, let me paste this picture. Okay, so we will create the project 1 and application, then we learn how we can paste this application 1 into another project. So for example, if you are doing this, so always create application with what you will create the application with app, like app label URL you will create in Note. Create urls.py file at application label. Application label. Okay. So we will create the project. First, I will go to the drive. Which drive? I will go to the D drive. Okay, Django YouTube. Okay, here I will create the project. Sorry, I will create the folder first. What's the folder? 6th project. Okay. And this location I will open in CMD. right? Now here I will write the command to create the project. CLS for clear. Okay, now I will write the command Django admin. Django admin start project. Okay, what is the project name? Project 6, right? Project 6, right? Now move to the project 6. Here I will create the application. What is the command? Py manage.py start app. What is the application name? Like I will say app1. Okay, so I created this and I will open this project in VS Code. So I will write here code dot. So this project will open in VS Code. Okay, now what is the first step? We will register this application in settings.py. Settings.py installed app. Here I will register. For the app name? Test app. Right? Okay. Once this register, then what I will do? I will create some views in views.py. Okay, for example, I will write the example. My view name is exam view. Request exam, and I will return the response. I will return the response as HTTP response. Okay. So I will import the HTTP response from Django.http import HTTP response. Right. And what I will write here, I will write the message here. Even this is an exam view. Okay. Then after that, I will write another function. The function name is attendance view. Okay. Return HTTP response. This is an attendance view. Okay. Now I will write another view, which is fees view. Return HTTP response. This is fees. Okay. Please write everyone. Don't forget to save the file. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do, we will create application level view. So we have this application folder. Here we will create a file. What is the file name? urls.py. We will create application label URL. Why we are creating application label URL? So that we can switch our application from one project to another project. Okay, means it enhance the reusability. When you define URLs at application level, it increase the reusability of your project. Okay, so I will write here urls.py, and here I will define the URL. So what I will do, I will go to the project's URL and I'll copy some file like this statement. I will copy from here and I will paste this application label URL. Okay, and instead of writing admin, we don't need to write any admin name. Okay, we will import views. So we are in the current folder and views is also available. So we will write here from either you can write F1, which is the application name, because we are inside the simply write F1 import views. Okay, we already created views. Okay. Views is already created. We have this 3 views. Okay, urls.py, and here we will call each view. So I will write here exam. Okay, and I will write here views dot which view? Exam view. Then path. Okay, then which view? Attendance views. Then path. Okay, fees views. So like this, I called each view. Okay, from the urls.py. Right. Once this completed, now I will link this URL, which is application label URL. I will link this URL file at project label URL. Here is the project label URL. So what I will do, okay, so here I will write import test app. Okay, import test app. Okay, I will delete this. I don't need this admin. So I will write here path. Okay, then I will write here app1 slash. Okay, and then include. I will use here include. For linking purpose we use include, so we have to import include also. Include. Okay, now I can use include. Give single quotes and type here app1 dot urls. We are calling urls from app1. Okay, urls we are calling application label url. See what is our application name, app1, and we have this url. Okay, so this is how we attach this urls. Okay, now we will run the code. Okay, our application name is not test app. Our application name is app1. So we don't need to write app1, I guess, because it already recognizes, because we already written in settings.py our application. Okay, now we will start the server. Py manage.py run server. That is giving error. Okay, so we have to give here name app1 settings.py, what we have written. Okay, what is our application name? app1. Why we are writing test app? So we don't need to write test app. We will write here app1. Okay, so now let me run the code. Okay, now it is running, means if you are getting this URLs means your code is running. Okay, now I will open new tab. I will paste this URL, press enter. Okay, page not found. So I will write here what page we have, app1. So I will go inside the app1. Okay, inside the app1. Okay, inside the app1 you will get these URLs like exam, attendance, and fees. Okay, for example, if I call exam, so this is an exam view. Okay, if I call attendance, so this is an attendance view. If I call what, fees, so this is a fees view. So this is not the big deal, we already done this in previous video. But what is the like important thing I want to tell you, that we can copy. What we can do, we can copy one application, okay, from one project to another project. We can copy the application. So what we will do now, we will create another project. Okay, so go to the projects. Okay. So we have this folder 6 project. Inside the 6 project, I will create here in this location. I will open cmd and I will create another project with the help of Django admin start project. Okay, demo project. What is our project name? Demo project. So demo project is created. Okay, so demo project is created. I will not create application anymore. See, we created demo project. Inside project 6, we already created application. What is our application name? App1. So we will copy this application. We will copy. Okay, here is the copy. Control C we can press and go to the demo project. Here I will paste my application. Okay, I'm going to show you the reusability concept. So I didn't create, just I copied application 1 from the previous project. Okay, now what I will do, I will open this project in cmd. Okay, this is open in cmd. Now I will go to the code. Okay, so I have this, to try to understand, I have this demo project, and inside the demo project we have application 1, which is copied from the 6th project. Okay, if you observed. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply register this application in settings.py app1. Okay, app1 registered. Now what I will do, it has its own URLs. So just I will link this URL in where I will link this application URL, urls.py. Okay, so I will write here path. Okay, and I will write here. Okay, it is not mandatory you will write app1. You can write simply demo also. Demo. Okay, this application label URL with link with demo. When you write demo here, it will come here urls.py. How? So we will use here include, and inside include we will write, or what we will write, application name app1 dot urls. Okay, and we have to import this URL, comma, sorry, include function. First we will include, then after that we will import application 1, import app1. Okay, I hope you are getting. So this is newly created project and this is the copied application. Now we will check whether it is working for us or not. Okay. So here is the location of this code demo project. We are inside the demo project. Now we will run the application. Py manage.py run server. Okay. So we got this URLs means our application is successfully running. Server is successfully running. I will paste this URL here. Okay. So we have F1 here. So I will write here F1. Okay. So it is linked with exam, attendance, and fees. So for example, if I'm writing here exam, okay, so exam view is coming perfectly, and fees, if I'm writing, so fees view is coming. If I'm writing attendance, then attendance view is coming. Okay, so means this project is also working fine. Okay, this is running. Yeah. Okay, no. So what is our file name? Okay, it was working because previous project is also running. Now only one project is running, so we have to go inside the demo. Why we are going inside the demo? Because it is linked with demo. Okay, this is demo. When user write URL as demo, so it will call application one URL. So application one URL is there, the application one URL, and this URL calling this exam view and attendance view. Okay, so we will write here demo. Okay, when we write here demo, then it will show us pages, exam, attendance, and fees. So we will write here, for example, if you want to call exam view, you will write here exam view. And if you want to call attendance view, simply you will write here attendance. The attendance view is coming. And if you will write here fees, it will fees view. Okay. Demo is project label, and fees is what application label. Okay. Demo will call application label views, and it will call views inside the application. Hope you are getting right. Okay. So what is the advantage? What is the advantage of URL label views? Okay, advantage. Okay. So what are the advantages? Okay. So here is some advantages to use application label URL. Okay. So the first one is, okay, so first advantage is why it is not coming. Okay, the first advantage is it promotes reusability. Reusability of Django application across multiple projects. Okay. The second advantage is projects label urls.py will be cleaned and more readable. Okay. The project label URL will be clean and more readable. Okay, for example, see. Okay, for example, here is this application label URL. So in application label URL, we are calling each view. Okay, like how many views we are calling? 5 views. If there is 10 views, we will call 10 views. Okay, but project label. Okay, this is the application, but in project label URL, Can you see the simplicity? How many 3 URLs we are calling, and just at project level URL we are calling application.url. Okay. So it contains three URLs and all 3 URLs calling. So see the simplicity in what projects level URL. So this is how we use this URLs at application level, right? I hope you are getting. Okay, in the next lecture, we will discuss about templates. Okay, like we will create the HTML files. We will work on HTML files. Okay, so we will learn templates, right? So don't miss the next lecture. Okay, we will learn Django templates and static files. Okay, thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Okay, please practice the code, because without practice you will not understand it at all. So please practice. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for your valuable time. Okay, bye everyone.